Hi and welcome back to Terrain by Aaron. I was searching through my bit box the other day and decided that I had too much plastic, so I thought I'd make a little tank of some sort. And like the title says, this video is just a quickie, so hope you enjoy. So I found some leftovers from an old transformer. I'm going to use that as a base and then just add things to it, using the baking powder just to strengthen the bonds of the super glue. And there's my terrible pretend Dremel that I need to replace. Just making holes for the wheels, but I don't actually use them in the end. I just stick them straight to the base. I've got to apologise for the bad camera angles. When I start building, I forget that I'm recording, and you get to see my hands in most shots instead of what you're actually here for, to see the build. So I'm using I don't know what it is, but I use it to press into the plastic to make rivets. I find that's quite effective. Grab another handful of bits, and the black thing is from a deodorant spray can. I liked how this orange piece of plastic looked, so I'm going to stick that on the back. But then I found another piece that I stuck onto that, which made it sort of look like a tanky sort of thing. So I just kept going with bits of pieces, bits of plastic, bits of tubing, just to bulk it up and make it a lot less like a car, really. Main build is done. Now I'm going to use sticky gems to act as rivets, and you can never have too many rivets. I spent about 5 minutes after doing this picking up all the rivets that had twanged off the workbench onto the floor. Once all the gems were on, I decided to treat myself and spray paint it. I'm using a bronze colour because that was the only one that I had spare. So I'm using the base coat of blue, but later on you'll see that I've changed my mind halfway through and I'll start changing the colours I'm not being too picky where I'm hitting with the paint. I'm just slapdash really. Just painting the tyres black now, and I do a bit of the underside of it as well, a bit of black, and then oh yeah, the other half still doesn't know that I'm using her hairdryer. She'll never know. And now I'm just touching up with a bit of silver. It always panics me when I do this silver because it always looks too bright until I get the wash on it. So I'm just picking up things that I think that would look silver, and then the wash will tone down the brightness, hopefully. Never used an oil wash before. I'd always used acrylic wash, but I'd watched Bill making stuff and copied his recipe and just used that one, and it comes out pretty well actually. Just dabbing away where I don't want it to be, but generally I just slather the whole model with it. Yeah, I'm painting the flag. The flag is an edition that I'd watched PVA Blood, so if you want to know how to make the flag, go over and watch PVA Blood. He'll show you how to do it. So thanks for watching, and here comes the glamour shots. So if you like what you see, leave me a comment. If there's anything that you want me to try and build, again leave me a comment and I'll try and build it. Thanks for watching.